Hi, I'm Alice.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Together we are Pivot Workshops. This is a free mini guided meditation to help to bring you into the present moment. There aren't too many requirements for this. You'll just need to find yourself a quiet place to be alone, and you'll need a chair that's low enough to the ground so that your feet will be firmly planted beneath you. So, settle into a seated position. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor or the ground. Place your hands on your lap, one on each thigh. Make sure you are comfortably seated and your back is up straight. Now close your eyes.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Take another deep breath in through your nose and exhale. With each breath, settle deeper into your seat. Again, take one more big deep breath in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Now see if you can relax your shoulders. Feel the weight of the day slip away.
Now breathe in through your nose and exhale any tension you may be holding in your back. Pay attention to how your body is engaged with your chair. When you take your next breath in, on the exhale, breathe out any discomfort you may have in your body while sitting in the chair. Notice how your thighs are connected to your chair. The chair is there to support you. Take a deep breath in and feel yourself as one with your chair.
Feel the sensation of your feet on the ground below you. Now, let the weight of the day melt into the ground. Again, breathe in through your nose, exhaling out of your mouth. Now you are completely connected to your chair and to the earth. Take another deep cleansing breath.
Now pay attention to your surroundings. Do you hear any sounds? Does your environment have any fragrances? Do you feel any sensations on your skin? Just be aware of what's around you right now. Keep your breath in a normal, steady flow. Sit with your awareness for a few moments, being completely aware of your breath. Just keep it nice and steady, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out.
Take another deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. When you're ready to come out of your meditation, take a deep breath in, giving yourself a stretch as you exhale, then open your eyes. Welcome back. You did it. And that was only 5 minutes of your time. You can do this meditation anytime. It's a quick and easy tool to help you maintain presence and get back to what you love doing.
If you are interested in exploring more with us, visit pivotworkshops.com. We would love to be a part of your journey.